Hi, I'm Gerry from Gerry's Craft Room, and in this video I'm going to make another art journal page, one of the last ones to fill my mini album. And I'm going to color the background with Distress Oxide spray. I spray the sides of the card and I leave the middle open. I spray some water to blend the colors and to make the ink oxidize and to get some texture. I dry it with a heat tool and I blot. I'm using ultra smooth card. And I take the card out of the box and I put it on my work surface. Then I spray some more water and dry and I blot. And this way I can use the box again. And I don't pick up the color that is in the box with my paper towel because that reacts to water. I add a bit more ink to get a deeper color and texture. I really love the sprays as they give you a fast colored background, and the little speckles of color give some fun texture too. Just so you know, I added the main products I used in the description box for you. You can also find the full list of supplies on my blog, and if you're new here and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. I add some drops with the same color. I let them dry. I'm going to stamp using the stamping platform and I add the stamp on my page. I add some glue to the back with a glue stick to make sure it stays put, and then I close the platform. Then I ink up the stamp and stamp a few times to get a nice stamped image. Then I add embossing powder and I melt the powder with a heat tool. I'm going to stamp more of the smaller circles and emboss those too. Then I take another stamp and another color to stamp more circles. I just add them randomly on the page, just checking where I would like more color. And then I take another bigger circle this time and add some more red and stamp those a few times. I emboss all the circles because I want to color them later on, and as the ink reacts to water they will fade if I don't seal them now. So by embossing you make them sort of waterproof. I add some ink to my work surface and I color a bunch of the circles with a water brush. And then I add the red and I color the smaller circles in the same way. I doodle a bit around the edge of the page with a black pen for a fun touch. And I printed a sentiment and added it on a white mat, and I'm going to add that to finish the page. And here's my finished page. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to keep on crafting.